Oil service light, $80 at the dealer. Brake pads on an electronic parking brake, $150. New battery that needs registration, another $90. Sound familiar? Here's the part they don't tell you. Most of that bill isn't labor. It's 30 seconds of pressing buttons on a scan tool. So today, we're doing all 6 of the most common service resets ourselves on 3 different cars with this, the iCarzone UR1000. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which button the dealer was charging you for, and I'll keep a running total of what we saved. Let's go. 6 jobs: oil reset, electronic parking brake, steering angle, DPF regeneration, battery registration, and tire pressure sensors. Chapter markers are below, but stick around. The total at the end is going to surprise you. Job 1. We just changed the oil on this car. Filter, drain plug, fresh oil, done. But look at the dash. The car has no idea. That reminder is on a mileage counter, and until someone resets it, it'll nag you every single start. Dealer charge for this? Find your OBD2 port. It's under the dash driver's side on almost every car since 1996. Plug in, and the UR1000 identifies the car automatically. No VIN typing, no setup. Here's the whole job. Uncut. Tap service. Tap oil reset. The scanner already knows the car, so it takes us straight to the right procedure. Confirm and reset. That progress bar, that's the scanner talking to the ECU and zeroing the maintenance counter. And done. That's the entire dealer service. Job 2, different car, and this one matters for safety. Rear brake pads on a car with an electronic parking brake. See that motor on the caliper? If you try winding the piston back, all by itself. Now the pads swap like any normal brake job. New pads in, wheel on, and back to the scanner. Run the calibration so the system relearns pad position. Here at Cycle, that's the parking brake testing itself. Engage, release, engage. No warning lights, full clamping force. This is exactly the procedure the dealership runs on the same kind of equipment. Job 3, same car. After an alignment or any steering work, the steering angle sensor is looking at the wrong zero. Symptoms: traction control light, stability control acting weird, or a wheel that's straight while the car thinks it's turning. The fix is a recalibration. And yes, shops bill for it separately. Wheels dead straight first, that's the one rule. Then service, steering angle, calibrate. The scanner walks you through it. Full left, full right, back to center. And it writes the new zero into the module. Watch the live angle reading. That's real-time data straight from the sensor. Job 4, diesel owners, this one's yours. Short trips never get the particulate filter hot enough to clean itself, so soot builds up until the truck goes into limp mode. The dealer's answer is a forced regeneration, and it's one of the priciest lines on any diesel invoice. Outside, engine warm, nothing flammable near the exhaust. This gets hot, that's the point. Service, DPF, forced regen, confirmed. Now watch the live data, because this is the show. Exhaust temp climbing past 600 degrees, soot load falling, differential pressure dropping. The scanner is holding the engine in exactly the right state to burn the filter clean. Job 5. And this is the one almost everybody skips. You fit a new battery, car starts, job done. Right? Wrong. On most modern cars, the charging system keeps treating it like the old tired battery, overcharging it from day one. That's why new batteries die in 2 years. Registration tells the car it's new. Service. Battery registration. It asks what we fitted, type and capacity straight off the label. AGM, 70 amp hours. Registered, done. And look at the live data. Charging voltage just changed. The car is now managing a brand new battery, not babying a dead one. Last job, you've replaced a tire pressure sensor or swapped winter wheels, and the light stays on because the car is still listening for the OLD sensor IDs. The tire shop calls this a relearn and charges for it. Here's the whole thing. TPMS, relearn, and the scanner shows the order. Left front, right rear, left rear. Hold it by the valve stem. Wait for the beep. That's the sensor waking up and handing over its new ID. 4 wheels, 4 beeps, and the scanner writes them all to the car. Everything you watched ran on the iCarzone UR1000. 50 service functions, bi-directional control, lifetime free updates, 0 subscription fees. Every reset we did today is in the description with its timestamp, plus the full vehicle coverage list. Check your car, grab the tool, and stop paying for button presses. iCarzone, your car, your zone.